Hi, thank you for visiting again my YouTube channel, Outdoor Gardening God's Way. And this is the third day that I'm doing my gardening. It's quite gloomy at the moment. I think early this morning, I think it will rain. So this is my plan for this third day. I think I will continue tomorrow. But I'm doing this gardening part-time because I'm quite busy too. I'm doing so many things. So later I'll show you how I will do the mulching. Mulching is presented by Paul Gauchi, and he was made known around the world because on how he does his gardening. Because what happened is when he saw that in the forest, the property he bought, this happened in the United States, I think, near the Washington D.C. He noticed that the forest, no one is planting, but all the plants are growing, and when he checked the soil of the earth, he found out that it is so fertile. Why? Because of the mulching. Mulching means any leaves, dead trees, or whatever. As time goes on, it accumulates and grow in the field until finally these dead plants or leaves will die, and this in turn will serve as fertilizer of the tree of the forest. So that is why I will do the same, and you will see this cardboard. I will make it cover later to my runner beans, which will I plant maybe tomorrow there near the tarpaulin. That's the grow bag, grow bag there. I bought so that I can plant my runner beans. There are so many things to do in this place. The grasses are all grown up, you see, and I'm doing it at the moment alone. And even my tomatoes, I need to plant it by tomorrow, you see, because my tomato, they are now flowering, bearing fruits. There. This is why God willing, by tomorrow, I will plant everything there. Sorry, the weather is changing. During the night, it becomes so cold. This is it. My cherry, taller than I. And underneath the cherry, you can see I planted the pineapple, potatoes, and there's pineapple there. Later I will show you. There, there the pineapple. Two pineapple, yeah? So for the third days, This is the result of my labor, part-time labor in gardening. There are my potatoes. There are my pineapple and my strawberry is there. Yeah, my strawberry. And also I got also potato here. And there's another potato on that side. It's quite a mess. This is why, as you will continue to follow my humble garden, you will be blessed because with God's help, I believe this will become a beautiful place of garden. Take a look at my growing bag. Another potato down there, tomatoes near the window, and I got the growing bag. I'll show it to you. There, I put some growing bag underneath. There, yeah, so that I can make ready underneath the tarpaulin because that is annoying. As the runner beans grow, those wild plants will grow too. And it's a mess. This is why I need to get rid of that by putting those cardboard and grasses underneath and cover with plastic so that nothing will grow as the runner beans grow. But later I'll show you everything when I focus the camera on those things that I've shown you. And I'm very thankful that you're visiting my channel and trying to do your best to subscribe and watch everything that I'm doing. Because at the moment I'm doing this part-time. Look, later it will become a beautiful garden, humble garden, outdoor gardening in God's way, and with God's help, He will make everything beautiful again in this place. Planning to plant runner beans, onions, tomatoes, I already got potatoes, pineapple, and also the one thing I planted before, I think it's the Brussels sprouts. Very nice. Again, thanks a lot, my friend, for being patient in watching my humble garden. Thank you, and please, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and click notification favor. God bless. Thank you for visiting my channel. Can bye for now. This is Simon Felix at 60614. Bye. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Okay. Bye.